Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cut, trim or split videos in iMovie. So this is a iMovie tutorial. So in this video you will learn that how to cut and trim or split the videos. So what you have to do, first open uh, iMovie app. Okay, now here you will see create new. So I'm going to create new here. Now click on movie. Okay, now here you will see import media options. Now I'm going to import a media here. Okay, so like this, and now import. Okay, so when you import media, now I'm going to add it here to edit it. So now I will show you how to, first I will show you how to trim. So if you want to trim it from here, okay, trim it. Okay, if you want to trim it from here to here, so what you have to do, you can just uh, place your cursor here, and like this you can trim, okay, manually. Or you can, what you have to do, just take the playhead wherever you want to trim, and now right click here, and here you will see trim to playhead. Now click on it. So like this you can trim it. Now now if you want to split, okay, so if I want to split the video from here, so what I have to do, just double click here, uh, or right click here, and here you will say split clip. Just click on split clip. Okay, there is a shortcut for splitting. So what you have to do, just press command and B. Now this is how you can split. If you want to cut, what you have to do, just right click, and here you will see cut option. You can cut it. You can also just press command and X, and you can cut it. So like this you can cut, split and trim videos in iMovie. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.